Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to find scheduled messages. The first thing you do is, let's say you found a scheduled message but you can't find it. You want to review it later and you don't know where to find it, because if you actually open it you won't see it. For example, a scheduled message to this particular person, as you can see, there's nothing like a scheduled message from me. So the only way to find it is at the bottom here. After the message, next to the message, you see this box, the calendar. Tap on it. That's where it shows you all your scheduled messages. You can see my scheduled message now. It's as simple as that. As long as you schedule a message, you will see that box, and when you open the box, you would see the message. You see over here is not, the box isn't here, but when you schedule a message to appear. So let's try schedule a message again. So you can see the box isn't there. Now let's turn on to schedule a message. Then you press down on the send button, tap on schedule message, tap on send. After choosing the date, the year, now you open it, the same person. I open it, see the box has appeared. There's not a box, it's a calendar to show your scheduled message. It's as simple. It's a calendar to show your scheduled message. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.